Welcome! In this video, we will walk you through the steps to process a two-pass transaction with presets in DataBridge software. Select a connected scale in the top right corner. Each scale icon gives a visual indication of the current weight value and presence of a vehicle. Once you have selected the scale, under Operational Data, select Vehicle and choose the proper vehicle being weighed. Remember that the preset operational data is automatically populated when a vehicle is selected. Once you have confirmed the information associated with the vehicle, capture the final weight of the vehicle with Get Weight. Once the data is confirmed and the weight is captured, accept the pass by selecting Accept. Then wait for the vehicle to exit the scale. Your first pass is complete. For the second pass, follow the same steps. Choose the vehicle, confirm the information, and capture the weight. Once the second pass weight is captured, you can complete the transaction and the vehicle can exit the scale. You have successfully completed a two-pass transaction with presets in DataBridge.